Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Git remote repository URL to GitHub. This is essential when you need to update where your local project pushes code to, whether you're moving to a new repository or correcting an outdated link. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Sign in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository you want to change the Git remote URL for. This will take you directly to that repository's main page. Now navigate to the top of the repository page where you'll find the URL link. You can copy it directly from the address bar, or you can click the green code button and copy the HTTPS URL from there. Either method works perfectly fine, just make sure you have that URL copied to your clipboard as you'll need it in the next steps. Next, open your terminal or command prompt on your computer. This is where you'll be making the actual changes to your Git configuration. Navigate to your local Git repository folder by typing cd followed by the path to your repo. For example, if your repository is in a folder called My Project on your desktop, you type something like cd desktop/my project. Once you're in the correct directory, type git remote-v and press enter. This command will display your current remote repositories, showing you both the fetch and push URLs. Pay attention to the name listed, which is usually origin, as you'll need this for the next step. Now it's time to update the remote URL. Type git remote set-URL origin, then paste the GitHub URL you copied earlier and press enter. If your remote has a different name than origin, make sure to replace it with the correct name you noted from the previous step. This command tells Git to update where your repository points to. To confirm that the change worked, type git remote-v again and press enter. You should now see your new GitHub URL listed for both fetch and push operations. This verification step ensures everything is properly configured before you start pushing any code. Finally, to test the new connection, type git push origin main and press enter. If your branch has a different name, replace main with your actual branch name. If prompted, enter your GitHub credentials to complete the push. This final step confirms that your local repository is now successfully connected to your GitHub repository. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.